Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container associated with your website. Next, navigate to the admin section in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, locate the Install Google Tag Manager option if you haven't installed GTM yet. If you've already set it up, skip this step. Ensure the Google Tag Manager code is properly implemented on your website. Once confirmed, return to the GTM interface. Now, find the Tags section in the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create your first tag. In the tag configuration screen, select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Input your Google Analytics measurement ID in the You can find this ID by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section within Google Analytics. Select Data Streams under the Property column and choose your web data stream. Copy the measurement ID displayed on that page. Return to Google Tag Manager and paste this ID into the tag configuration. Next, set the trigger for this tag by clicking on Triggering. Select all pages to ensure tracking on your entire website. After setting the trigger, click Save to finalize the tag creation. You'll now see the tag listed in your Tags overview. To verify the tag is working, click on the Preview button in the top right corner. This opens the Tag Manager preview mode. In a new tab, navigate to your website to see the GTM debug console appear. Check that the GA4 configuration tag fires on page load. To confirm it's working as expected, return to your Google Analytics account. Go to the real-time report. You should see live user activity if everything is set up correctly. After confirming, return to Google Tag Manager and click on Submit to publish your changes. Add a version name and description for easy reference. Click Publish to finalize your tag setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.